Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you the difference between Buildertrend versus Smartsheet, which construction management software is best. So for this, let's dive into the video. When choosing between Buildertrend and Smartsheet for construction management, it's essential to understand that both tools have different strengths. While Buildertrend is tailored specifically for the construction industry and Smartsheet is a more general purpose project management tool. Here's some overview of Buildertrend is that it is cloud-based construction management software designed specifically for contractors, builders, and remodelers. It provides an all-in-one platform to manage projects, track schedules, communicate with clients, and manage budgets. It is focused on construction-related tasks and integrates well with the workflows of construction teams. Some key features of Buildertrend is that comprehensive task tracking, project timelines, and deadlines for construction projects. It allows clients to view progress, approve changes, and communicate directly with the team. Task project cost, create estimates, manage invoices, and keep projects within budget, manage and assign tasks to subcontractors, manage delays, and adjust schedules. It's centralized location for plans, contracts, permits, and other critical documents. Easily handle change orders, selections, and approvals. Field teams can assess documents, plans, and communicate project status on site. While the overview of Smartsheet is that it is a collaborative work management platform that is widely used across various industries, not just for construction. It combines the familiarity of spreadsheets with powerful project management and automation tools. It's a versatile platform for managing workflows, tracking progress, and collaborating across teams. Key features of Smartsheet is that manage projects using Gantt charts, task lists, and calendars, real-time communication on tasks, files, and project updates with team members. It automates repetitive tasks such as reminders, approval workflows, and notifications. Attach files, manage documents, and store everything in a centralized location. Visualize project data, timelines, and key metrics with customizable dashboards and reports. Extensive integrations with other tools such as Google Workspace, Microsoft Office 365, Slack, Salesforce, etc. Choose Buildertrend if you need industry-specific software tailored for construction projects such as home building, remodeling, and general contracting. You are looking for features like clients, portals, change orders, and document management designed specifically for construction workflows. Choose Buildertrend if you need a simple, user-friendly tool for small to mid-sized construction companies and field teams that want to stay on top of project costs and schedules. Choose Smartsheet if you require a general-purpose project management tool that can be used across multiple industries. You need flexibility in managing projects with customizable Gantt charts, task lists, automation, and detailed reporting features. Your team works on diverse types of projects and you need a tool that can handle workflows beyond construction, including IT, marketing, and other business processes. If your primary focus is construction and you need a platform that caters specifically to that industry, Buildertrend is the better choice. But if your needs are broader or span across different types of projects, Smartsheet could be more flexible solution. So both are best on their own place. So this is the difference between Buildertrend and Smartsheet. If you found this video helpful, then leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.